Hello, Ben. Good evening. Okay, how are you tonight? All right, so tonight we will continue the things that we did not finish last time. Okay, so I guess we're done with this. Okay, so this time it's the same as the using of more or less. Okay, that's what we did not finish. There are few slides that we did not finish last time, so we will continue it now. So complete the health tips below with more or less. Okay, so I want you to write your answer on the blank. Okay, like for example, sit blank in front of the TV or a computer if you don't want your eyes to be hurt. Okay, just more or less. Okay, so I'll give you time for you to answer number 1 to 5 to complete the health tips. Okay. Because I guess you can annotate. Okay, so do you have an answer already? Okay,
Mm,
so what is your answer in one?
Hydro.
Or you need to write it?
I can ano kay.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
wait. Okay.
oh, you just need to write.
Mm,
Okay, so here there are your answers there. So number one is less. Okay, sit less in front of the TV or a computer if you don't want your eyes to be hurt. Number two, do more exercise and eat more fruits and vegetables. Okay, great. Eat less high-fat food to avoid obesity. So you should eat less. Spend less time playing computer games. That is very important because it can damage your eyes if you're gonna spend it for the whole day. And lastly, number five, take more public transportation. Okay, very good. You got it right for number one, two, three, four, and five. Okay, that's good job. And you got perfect score here. Okay, so here we go. Let's have another. Okay, this time complete each of the following sentences using imperatives with more or less. You have toothache. Okay, so imperative. So for example, you have toothache, so you should eat less candy. Okay, so you have toothache, so you should eat less candy. That is the imperative with more or less. Okay, another example is, okay, do more exercise if you want to lose your weight. So you will have do more exercise. Okay?
okay.
Okay, do you have any question there? So you can continue 3 until 7 here. You will just include less and more. Okay.
Okay.
All right, so I guess you already have the answer. So I will try to check your answer for number 3. Okay, eat more vegetables. Okay, very good. That's correct. And you will feel healthier. Next one, the examination is coming, so you should watch less TV. Okay, watch less TV. Okay, considered. You look like lack of sleep, so sleep less, or you should, or less, you should lack of sleep. So lack means you need more sleep. That's why you should sleep more. Lack means lacking. Okay. You need more sleep. Another one. Okay, your answer is fishing more, and you will be smarter. For the answer for that is eat more fish and you will be smarter if you're always eating fish. And for 7, you are putting on weight. So you should eat less fast food, okay? So check for 7, check for 4, check for 3. All right, so you have 3. Okay, you got 3/5 here. Okay, you got 3 points over 5. All right, that's very good. Okay, you just have 2 mistakes. Do you have any question about your mistakes there? All right, here is the last slide for this unit. Okay, this time there are phrases there. The phrases are watch less TV, more time, do more exercises, don't sunbath more, less time, you should drink more warm water, and try to talk less. Those are the phrases here. Okay, as you can see, those are the phrases here. All right. So this time, I want you to complete each of the following sentences using the imperative with more or less and the words given there. You will just need to complete it here, okay? So for example, number 1, okay, watch less TV so you can protect your eyes, okay? So how about the next number until the last? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until 7. Okay, you can just choose the phrases above. Okay. Okay, try to choose the phrases above for you to fill in the blank.
What teacher, what is for outdoor activities?
Okay, outdoor activities are games or activity that you will do outside, like volleyball. You will do that outside. Oh, those are outdoor activities like basketball, because you will do that outside, not indoor. Oh, outdoor activities, another example like skating, like swimming also. Any activities or exercises that can be done outside, like jogging. You will go outside and jog. Different games. Okay, so I guess you already have the answer. That okay. Okay, so for number 2, get up early and do more exercise. That's great. If you spend less time on TV programs and computer games, you will have more, okay, you will have more time for outdoor activities. Okay, try to talk less when you have sore throat. When you say sore throat, okay, sore throat is your throat is so painful. There is pain in your throat. That is sore throat. That's why you just, if you have sore throat, you just talk less. Okay. Another one is if you have cough, you should drink more warm water. And 9, you try to don't sunbath more or you'll get sunburn. Sunburn means your skin, if you're always, I mean, and staying under the heat of the sun, your skin will, there are a lot of something here in your skin. It will be black, or it will be reddish like that, and it's a little bit painful. That is sunburn. Okay. All right, check for 4, 6, and the more time. This one is just don't sunbath more. And if you have cough, you should always drink more water. Okay? And for the 8, if you have sore throat, talk less. Okay? So I guess you have, okay, you got here 3/6. Okay, you got 3/6 points. Okay, it is half of it. All right, so do you have any question about those things? Okay, question. This time, if you don't have question, let's continue the next lesson. It's all about, okay, where is it? Okay, for a while I'm checking, where is it? Okay. All right, where is it? Okay, so are they the same? No, not that. Where is it? Okay, let's continue the next unit. And that unit is past. It's all about unit 4 grammar, past simple tense and present perfect. Okay, so let's go first for the past. When you say past tense, do you have an idea when we talk about past tense? The verb or the action is already done in the past. Okay, so for example, Okay, for example, here, there are sentence example here, as you can see. Okay, they were friends. Okay, they were friends. The verb to be were is already in the past tense. Were is already in the past tense. So they were friends before, but not now. For the verbs like she worked yesterday. So means she worked yesterday. You know what is yesterday? Is it done or not yet done? Oh, yesterday. So it is already done. It is already in the past tense. The action is done. Action is done. Okay? So that is yesterday. Because of the word yesterday, it is already in the past. So that's why, as you can see, the word work, we add E plus D. Work. Okay, can you see that one? If you will use a linking verb, LV, if we will use linking verb, we can use was and where. Was is for singular, that is already done, and where is for the plural linking verb. Okay, so since they is the subject, it's plural, it's many, that's why we are using where. Do you understand that? But if it's all bit bad, if it's a verb, like for example, work, so we just add ed. So the word work, we just add ed equals work. Okay? Another one that is for the positive. Okay? Do you have any question about this line here? Oh, do you have any question that? For the negative, when we say negative, there's a basis because there is a word not. Okay. The word there's just a word not. So for example, they were not friends. Weren't. The word weren't means were not friends. So there's the word not. If it's in the verb also, if it's a regular verb, she didn't work yesterday. We don't need to add work, ed to work. We just add the not. We did not work yesterday. Okay, and the last one is question, asking a question. So they were just the same. They weren't friends. Or it could be, did she work yesterday? Okay, we use did. Did means in the past tense. Okay, so when you say did, it is used, it means in the past tense of the verb. Okay. Oh, do you have any questions or clarifications about that simple rule, or what's the uses of that simple past tense? Okay, do you have any question there? You want to ask something?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to ask or you don't want to ask?
I will ask.
Okay, so here is also the present perfect. So when we say present perfect tense, okay, there present perfect. So for example, he has taught for 8 years. There are, okay, this for, since, oh, it is very useful for the present perfect. It's still it's already in the past, but it's still continuous present perfect. So he has taught for 8 years. He has taught since 1998. You can have he has taught since or for. So the use of for is used for a period of time. For how many years? For 10 years, for 12 years. That is specific number of years or time. When we say since, we will use since with a point in time and means from that point to the time of speaking. So it started like since 1998. So it started 1998. Point of the time of speaking. That's a clause. So here, another example, like I've worked here since I left school. So when I left school, I start to work here. Present perfect. From the past until now, that is present perfect tense. Do you understand?
From the past until now. Past perfect.
Okay. Okay. Do you have any question about that? I'll give here more example. Okay, here is we can use the subject, okay? Subject plus have if it's plural, has if it's singular, and the verb plus the ed. Oh, okay. Verb plus the ed, or it could be the linking verb or the irregular verb that you will use. For the negative, you will use subject. Since it's negative, you will use haven't, hasn't, plus the verb and ed. Okay? And if you're asking a question, we will start with have if it's plural and has if it's, okay, we'll read. Has if it's singular. Okay, I hope you familiar with those words. So let's have some practice here before we're gonna start. So for practice one, okay, since 1995 for 2 hours, for 1 hour since last week, since last January for 10 minutes, since last week for 3 hours. Okay, those are some. Okay, can you make a sentence using those words here? Okay, Beckham plays soccer 1995. Okay, what you can you make a sentence using that one? Beckham plays soccer 1995. We're gonna put verb and articles. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, can you tell me? What is the difference between since and for? Okay, what you will use here? Beckham plays soccer 1995. Is it for or since? Okay, Beckham plays soccer 1995. That is
Practice. What?
you create or make a sentence using those words.
He tried. He tried to cook
Cook.
better than last week.
Okay, this one first. How about this one first? The first one. Beckham.
Beckham playing soccer since 1995.
Okay, so Beckham plays soccer since 1995. How about here? Ba listen to music 2 hours. Played. Okay, Beckham played soccer since 1995. There is ED for the played. How about the second one? Ba listen to music 2 hours. Or it could be also, you can have also, okay. Beckham was,
Beckham,
okay, was
nothing.
played soccer since 1995. Okay, how about number two? Ba listen to music 2 hours.
But was listens to music for 2 hours.
Okay, good. How about here? She skipped 1 hour. She skipped. She skipped 1 hour.
I don't know how to make a sentence.
Okay, she. The word she is singular. What you gonna use? Was or where? She was or where? She skipped 1 hour. Okay, that is she. That's singular. As she there is singular. So what you gonna use? If it's singular,
Mm, she's uh, she's single skip. Uh,
she was or where?
I don't know how to make a sentence with that.
Okay, so that is she. She means since it's singular, she was skipped for an hour, for 1 hour. We use here for because it's hour, and we use was because it's already done and she is singular. Okay, do you have any question about that? Okay, do you have any question about it?
No.
Okay, how about here? They're just the same. He played tennis last January. Okay, how about you try to answer this one since I already gave you examples. This one, you can write your answers too. Okay, you can write your answer here for that. And then here, you can write your answer here. And the other one here. And the other one here. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to answer that. Okay. Bungo naman sila. Okay, so do you have an answer there? Okay, you can write your answer on the line.
He was playing tennis in last January.
Oh, in last January. Okay, how about here? He drink 10 minutes. Okay, for this below. He drank 10 minutes. That is.
He was drinking beer for 10 minutes.
Before 4, okay. He cooked last week. Okay, he cooked last week. He was
cooking in last week.
Okay, you can have he cooked last week too. All right. Okay, so do you have any question about that practice?
No.
Okay, so here are also some example. So as you can see here, for example, she has gone to school since 2010. We use has because she is singular and gone because it was before. It could be this one. She hasn't gone to school for 3 days. So hasn't, it's negative. Okay, it's negative. So has she gone to school? That's a question. We can have also he swam yesterday. Swam means the past tense of swim. That is swam. For the negative, okay, he didn't swim last week. Didn't swim. Okay. So those are some examples also, and I hope you learn from it. Okay, that is present perfect tense, and this one is past simple tense. So you can have here Jack have a bath, had a bath, or has a bath. Jack have, had, or has. Okay, we're talking here about Jack. Have, had, or has. What do you think is the correct answer here? That is
check
oh, which one
the
here?
has.
Oh, Jack has a bath. Okay, that is had. Okay, so here are some group two. For example, here I'll give you some example. Bring. If in the past tense, it will be brought. The past participle brought. Also like that. Another one, buy. It is those verbs here are irregular. When you say irregular verbs, those verbs that will change in spelling if it will be in the past then to past participle. Irregular verbs. The spelling will be changed. Okay, spelling will be changed. So as you can see, oh, what have you noticed? Bring. Look at the spelling of bring here. Brought. Brought. Buy. Bought. Bought. Okay. Next one. Catch. What is the past simple of catch? Yes, Ben. What is the simple past of catch? That is. Okay, here you go. What do you think? Is it
About.
caught? Again, caught. Caught.
Up.
Catch is caught. How about fight? For fight, that is, okay. Fight is, what's for fight? Okay, for fight, that is fought. Okay. And the last one, teach. Oh, teach is taught. Think is thought. Teach is taught. Think is thought. Thought. Okay. Again, what is for bring? Bring is? Okay, yes, Ben. What is bring? Because next meeting I will have a drill about those things here. So I hope you can remember this. I will have next meeting, I will have a drill about bring. What is the simple past of bring? So that is brought, buy, that is bought, catch, caught, fight, fought, teach, taught, think, thought. Okay? So I hope you understand those because I will use that for the drills next meeting. Okay? Do you have any question about this? Next time we will continue about the simple perfect. Okay, do you have any question about it? Oh yeah. Do you have any question and clarification about the things we talked tonight? Okay, if you don't have, so I guess that will be all for tonight. And that will be all. And thank you and see ya next meeting. Okay. So
Okay.
goodbye and good night, Ben. Okay.